recruits who have left us to join the ancestral main. Peace be to the ancestors. Now, are you ready to begin your training? In order for you to become a warrior ally of Wakanda, you must first understand the purpose of the Dora Milaje. Dora Milaje means adored one. As the defenders of the throne of Wakanda, our sole mission is to protect the king, the Black Panther. It is tradition in Wakanda that exceptional women are chosen by their tribe to train as a daughter. It is a great honor to take on such a special mission. In fact, tradition and honor are the first two tenets of the Dora Milaje. You there in the gray shirts with the afro. Don't worry, there are only 5 tenets, so you'll be able to keep up. Hopefully. These are the values that govern everything we do. Tradition, honor, strength, courage, and compassion. This is why we salute Wakanda Forever! In battle, it takes strength and courage to face our enemies. So, recruits, who among you thinks they have the warrior prowess of the Dora Milaje? Who will come forth and show their courage? Come now, there must be more bravery among you than this. Oh, you are eager. Okay, brave warrior, right over here to the blue. What is your name? Ange. Why do you keep looking over there? Oh, Ange. Nice to meet you. And where are you from? What? California. Warrior Ange from the Californian tribe. You are courageous for running forward. Tell us all here, are you strong? Is that the yes? Okay. What makes you strong? That is a good answer. Your heart makes you strong indeed. You bring such honor to your tribe. Wakanda forever. And Wakanda forever to you. Now, to the rest of you I ask, are you strong? Yeah! Don't be shy, recruits. Are you strong? Yeah! You say yeah! But where does your strength come from? Or your courage? Our culture has been passed down from generation to generation. Through our tradition, we Dora have trained with the power of vibranium on our side. What is the part of you that is indestructible? What is your vibranium? Think about it. Strength and courage are like the sun. They have to rise out of us. But unlike the sun rising out of the ocean. The rising of our strength and courage isn't automatic. We Dora have to find it each and every day. We chant, Nijaru Mine, Sanchi Nasara. Nijaru Mine, Sanchi Nasara. This means I am a warrior. I will overcome. Recruits, if you can learn this battle chant, you may have what it takes to become a warrior ally of Wakanda. Listen and repeat after me. Nijaru Mine, repeat. Nijaru Mine, yes. There is soul in this atmosphere. Let's keep going, this time with movement. Sanchi Nasara. Repeat. Sanchi Nasara. And I see a few of you, especially you have the rhythm, so the rest of you need to keep up. All together, this time with me. Nijaru Mine, Sanchi Nasara. Nijaru Mine, Sanchi Nasara. Nijaru Mine, Sanchi Nasara. Yes. Can you take it a step further? Would you like to see a Dora Milaje training sequence? Yeah. That was the only acceptable answer. Pay attention. Too advanced. Let's a bit easier, eh? Watch. Join me, if you dare. Let me see. Jab, strike, crouch, block. I see you young ones on this side. How about over here with the adults? Jab, strike, crouch, block. You stretched this morning, didn't you? I hear a lot of nervous laughter, so I assume no. It is okay. This is not a real battle. It is for training purposes only. So, stand tall. Imagine yourself holding a spear made of vibranium. We will train together as one tribe. Now, let us begin. Here we go. Ready? Jab, strike, crouch, block. Very good, warriors. Let me see you again. Jab, strike, crouch, block. Yes, you are getting it. One last time all together. Jab, strike, crouch, block. Hey, hey, hey. Yes, give yourselves a hand. So that's what I noticed is Amy then running home to their tribe mother. What brave warriors you are. I haven't seen strength and courage like this since I've been on this continent. I am impressed with each and every one of you. You are more than mere recruits. You are on the path to becoming warrior allies of Wakanda. Yes, it is time to celebrate, for you all have earned this moment together. Chant with me. Nijaru mine. Sanchi nasa. Nijaru mine. Sanchi nasa. Try this one. Nijaru mine. Sanchi nasa. Nijaru mine. Sanchi nasa. Nijaru mine. You are all warriors. Sanchi nasa. Listen. Nijaru mine. Sanchi nasa. Warriors, my heart is with you all. Not only have we assembled a brave and strong group of warrior allies ready for the next mission, but we have also seen true honor and compassion. Look around at your allies. Yes, really. Look around at your allies. See them and let yourself be seen. You are each warrior in your own way. You shall overcome. Continue in these ways, allies, and you will leave each place better than you found it. Now, I could stay here all day and teach you the secrets of the Dora Milaje, but I must be leaving you now, as King T'Challa has been alone far too long, and that usually means trouble for me. Until next time, warrior allies, Wakanda Forever!